Hi friends, I'm Pooja. Today I come up with very basic topic that is introduction to RPA. This video is completely dedicated to beginners who are planning to start their career in RPA. By watching this video, you can understand the basic concepts of RPA and Uipath. Without any further delay, let's get started. Today I am going to explain you what is Uipath, what is RPA, what are the components of Uipath? Now I would like to tell you what is Uipath. Uipath is the most popular RPA tool which is used to automate repetitive tasks of various applications like web application, Windows application and Citrix, etc. It has a drag and drop functionality of activities. It provides community edition for learning purpose which is free for lifetime. Now, I would like to explain what is RPA. As you already know, RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. Robotic Process Automation is the technology which is used to automate repetitive tasks performed by humans. It uses the computer or robot to run application in the same way that a person works with that application. It reduces the involvement of humans is said to be a robotic process automation. Now I am going to tell you what are the components of UiPath. There are mainly three components are there. UiPath Studio, UiPath Robot, UiPath Orchestrator. Now I am going to tell you the detailed description of UiPath Studio. Uipath Studio is a tool enable you to design automation process in a visual manner through diagrams using a drag and drop functionality. Each diagram represents a certain type of work to perform. This is how the Uipath Studio looks like. This is the Uipath Studio where you can build your project by using drag and drop functionality. Here, this is the activities panel. This is your project where you can get your main file, and this is the dependency. This is the activities panel. You can find your activities. By using this activity, you can build your project or process by drag and drop functionality. By this way, you can use the activities. This is the properties and this is the output where you can see the output of your process. Now I'm going to tell you what is Uipath Robot. Once you are done with the designing of process in the studio, you need to execute the process. Robot execute the process built in studio and scheduled in Orchestrator. This is how the Uipath robot looks like. Here you can get the Uipath robot. Uipath robot looks like this. After building your process and once you publish, You can directly run here by using Uipath robots. Now I'm going to tell you what is Uipath Orchestrator. Uipath Orchestrator is a web application that enables you to deploy, schedule, monitor, and manage robots and process. Orchestrator is a product which is used to orchestrate the Uipath robots, and it is a centralized platform for all the robots to manage. This is how the orchestrator looks. Now I'm going to tell you what can we do with this orchestrator. UiPath Orchestrator is a centralized robot management dashboard where you can easily deploy, secure, and manage your UiPath robots. It provides the following features like robot performance monitoring, create and manage robots, and manage environment. By deploying and monitoring the process by Orchestrator, you can manage the assets and managing package, managing and stopping process. You can manage the logs and you can schedule the jobs. This is how the orchestrator dashboard looks like. Here you can see the tenant, home, automations, robot, environment, and queues, assets. Here you can come to know what are all the process you did, and this is the jobs. In this you can run the process. Here you can schedule the bot. This is how the orchestrator looks. These are the basic concepts of UiPath and RPA. This is completely dedicated to beginners. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.